Welcome to Lubera, the Swiss fruit and berry plum producers and breeders. My name is Markus Kobelt, I'm founder and breeder of Lubera, and today I'm talking about Hollywood. Not the Hollywood you are thinking of. I'm in the US, but I'm on the West Coast. Yes, Hollywood is also at the West Coast, but I'm more north in Oregon. And I want to show you this tree, which I found some years ago, and we have brought this variety into Europe. And that's a meliorated variety, Hollywood. It's a Japanese plum, so blooming rather early, but it has a fantastic habit. First, it's the blooms, then it's the red leaves, which are more red in spring and then in summer are greening a little bit. And now it's a fantastic habit with the fruits. So all the long shoots, in the second and third year, they are going down and having fruits on them. So when pruning, you have always to think about this. So you have to leave the young shoots which are going upright, because they will be the fruiting shoots next year. And these fruiting shoots, after 2 years, you can cut off. So you have always a very compact tree in your garden with this fantastic, wonderful hanging habit. How it is inside, so just have a look for a ripened fruit. It's almost ripened. We have end of July, beginning of August. It's almost ripened. So we try to That's perhaps not the best one. Here perhaps. It's more sunny. It has become more red. You see, this variety is ripener and it's more red outside now. And more red inside. So that's the difference between a ripened fruit and a not ripened fruit. So not ripened fruit is like this. Look here. You can also eat it, you can bake it, you can use it for cooking, but really ripened for fresh eating is this quality when the inner fruit flesh is really, really red. Fantastic. The stone is cling, so the flesh is adherent. It's not going out easy, but it's also with it's eating very well and very easy, very juicy. A real summer fruit in August, and a wonderful habit of the tree, which is a hanging tree and a normal tree. Hanging when it has fruit and normal growing when it don't have fruit. But it's always ornamental because of the blooms, of the red leaves, of the fall coloration, and of course now because of the fruit. But wait till the fruit is as tasty as this ripened fruit. You see it, when the outside is becoming more red, also the inside will be redder and the quality better. Go on gardening and planting Japanese plum, Hollywood. Where have all the flowers gone? I know where. Here you go to Lubera Co. UK with all our breedings and thousands of more plants. Here you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and now pick the flowers.